How to fix iPhone notification sound not working for text messages. If you are having this issue constantly on your iPhone device, to solve it, this video is for you. To solve this, first of all, open your control center from the top and make sure that your mobile device is not in the silent mode. Then go through your settings and hit on the notification. Now scroll down and go through the messages and turn off your allow notification and clear all of the apps. Once you do that, again open your settings and then hit on the notification again. Again scroll down and go through the messages. Now turn on your allow notification option. Once you do this, your problem will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.